SoCal man says car computer in his new Tesla froze, causing the vehicle to be stuck at 83 miles per hour. That's producing right there. That's how you produce a show. You had a transition from Tesla saved the guy's life to Tesla almost killed a man. The driver from Irvine said all of the buttons and switches, including turn signals and hazard lights, were not working. Everything died. Computer reboot. Unreal Engine. The owner of the new Tesla Model 3 was left in shock after the car's main features allegedly froze while he was driving on the freeway. Javier Rodriguez of Irvine spoke to Eyewitness News on Tuesday and said it happened last Thursday while he was heading westbound on the 10 freeway through Cabazon. He said the car was stuck going 83 miles per hour and the main screen was frozen. He said all the buttons and switches, including turn signals and hazard lights, were not working. I noticed that it started to get hot in the car, and there started to be a weird scent coming. Ooh.
Oh, no.
You don't want a weird scent when you're in your car, like a burning or something. I was nervous that if I were to brake, a whole lot of that wouldn't be able to gain speed again to keep up with traffic and get around cars. I was nervous somebody was going to slam into me, even though the accelerator wasn't responding. Fortunately, Rodriguez said the brakes did work, but said it didn't make him any more comfortable when he was trying to stop. He was able to make it off the road, and a few minutes later, the car rebooted. That's when everything seemed normal. I had a reboot sequence myself. I would say that if there's anything sort of off about your vehicle, get that reboot in ASAP. Get a little reboot going. Tesla looked at the vehicle they diagnosed and found poor communication from charge port door, causing power conservation system to shut off in order to protect onboard components during drive. Okay. Well, there's a lot of these out there, and it's only a matter of time before you're getting more and more of these reports, especially popular company like Tesla. It makes news. It makes eyewitness news. Well,
yeah. At this point, do you believe him? Because there's no footage or anything like that.
I believe him. What, do you think he's trying to sue or something?
I don't know.
Nah, man. The guy's terrified. It happens.
It does.
Of course these things are going to malfunction. There's so many of them out there. You said you can't even move 2 feet without seeing a Model Y.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
Well,